I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials that immediately change face control. Set a neutral to slightly strong grip so your hands can close the face through impact. This alters torque and timing. Place the ball slightly left for longer clubs to help delivery. Once done, start the takeaway low and slow, keeping the club face from flipping open early. As you move, feel the trail wrist hinge naturally. That hinge stores the angle you'll need to return the face to square at impact. You now build sequence and control through the transition. Start the downswing by rotating your hips toward the target. This creates space for the hands and prevents casting, which opens the face. Make sure to hold some wrist angle and lag. That delayed release is why the face returns square. Once your body leads, allow the hands to follow. This keeps the club on a shallow path and reduces the outside-in motion that promotes an open face and slices. Practice with slow swings. You complete the move by letting the release happen naturally. Rotate your forearms through impact so the club face closes. Make sure you finish balanced with your chest facing the target and weight shifted to your front foot. This confirms proper sequencing. If shots remain open, tighten the grip slightly and look for early wrist release. Those are the two usual culprits. Finally, use drills. Slow motion swings and impact tape feedback. They show you how the face is contacting the ball and guide quick corrections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.